Grab a pen and a blank piece of paper right now. Do not wait. I am going to walk you through a 60-second physical test that neurologists use right now to detect the silent, early warning signs of dementia and Alzheimer's, often years before the memory loss actually starts. It is called the clock drawing test. It takes 1 minute, and how you place the numbers on this page will tell us exactly what is happening inside your brain's frontal lobe. Get your paper. Let's do this together right now.
Step 1. Draw a large circle on your paper. Make it fill the page. Step 2. Put all the numbers inside the circle, exactly like a standard wall clock, 1 through 12. Step 3. This is the critical neurological trigger. Listen carefully. Draw the hands on the clock to show the time as exactly 10 minutes past 11. I will say it again, 10 past 11. Finish your drawing right now. Do not change it once you are done.
Why did I just make you do that? Because drawing this simple clock requires multiple parts of your brain to fire simultaneously. If there is a misfire, it shows up on the paper. Drawing the circle tests your parietal lobe, your spatial awareness. Putting the numbers in the correct order tests your temporal lobe, your memory. But setting those hands to exactly 10 past 11, that requires high-level executive function and abstract thinking, which live right here in the frontal lobe. This is the exact area where dementia strikes first.
Look down at your paper right now. We are going to score your drawing out of 5 points. Point 1. Is the circle completely closed? Point 2. Are all 12 numbers present? Point 3. Are the numbers evenly spaced, or are they jammed together on one side? Point 4. Are there exactly 2 hands? Point 5. Does the short hour hand point to the 11 and the long minute hand point to the 2? If you missed even one of these points, or if your numbers are bunched up on one side of the clock, this is a massive neurological red flag. Do not ignore it. Show that piece of paper to your doctor this week. Go to the comments right now and tell me your exact score out of 5.